Pokemaniac David here with my wife, Pokebong.
Hello, hello.
Pokebong, she found something awesome at Target. Little early release. Yeah, let's check it out. We're only gonna do one tonight, so let's. Looking for a gold card, that would be nice. Pop it open, first impressions. Oh, sick. Oh. Got 5 packs. Got to kiss the pack for good luck. We got a Steel, Gloom, Great Ball, Trekking Shoes, Riolu, Starly, Scyther, Pokeball, Yungoos, Friends and Sinnoh, and Trash Pack. You want, You're doing great. Oh. Bird down. Scratched. Trekking Shoes, Yanma's Poniard.
Mr. Mime.
Another Duskull.
I don't think we do either. Duskull. He's alright.
Corfish! Core! Rare Candy, Galarian, Friends and Sinnoh, Corfish, Poniard, Seal, Rockruff Aaron, Executor. No shit! Why does this keep happening to me? Oh my god! 2 in a row? Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Go! What do you think about doing another one of these boxes? Come on, just one more box, babe, please. No? Okay. Oh, sick! Double banger! Woo woo! You got luck on your side, I believe.
No, it's textured.
Okay. Sick. One more left. Come on. That's it. She's not letting me open another one, I don't think. We got a Shaman, a Crushing Hammer, Caradivine, Tangela Toy Meowth, Whalmer, Shinx, Grubbin. I got nothing but shit. Alright, can we please open one more? That wasn't enough. I didn't get any hits.
What do you think? You can get something better than me?
I think that I should be able to get something better than you in the Zapdos tin. I don't know.
What do you want to bet me?
I'll do dishes for a week.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay. If you pull something better than me, you do dishes for the week.
If I pull something better, I have to do the dishes? What? That doesn't make any sense. Pokebong. Zapdosi's chasing a Dodrio. Here you go, little card for y'all. Pack's a little cockeyed in there. Let's get it, baby. We got another 5 packs. Let's go. Wait, so last time I took this, gave you this. I took this, gave you this. I took this and got all shit. So I'm this one, and hopefully we have a little better. Salazzle, Pokemon Catcher, Graveler, Ball Toy, Tangela, Larvesta, Snorunt, Switch, Wailord Reverse, and oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? What? Oh my god. Okay, thank you. Thanks for buying these from the store, babe. That was really nice. You're the best wife ever.
Anything for my husband.
Gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all.
Gotta catch this gold. Seal, tricking shoes, great ball. Seal.
Corfish! Dusclops. Oh no! Oh no!
Pack of the night.
Fuck! I'm getting heated. I'm getting a little bit tilted at this right now. I just want to hit. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Ultra Ball, Electric, Lost Vacuum, Yungoos, Pokeball, Scyther, Starly, Riolu. I'll take it. I'll take it. It's worth like $2, but that finally got something. Thanks. Dog's getting crazy.
This is crazy. He feels the energy.
Dude, these tins fucking suck. What the fuck? Been better luck than us on this. Last pack. Come on, Arceus, don't fail me. Let's go. Pawniard, Corfish, Wilmer. Oh, fuck, I guess.
Record.
Okay, I don't know. I guess.
Should we just do the last one?
Do you want to just do the last one?
Point of saving it.
Fuck it, right? Yeah, let's fucking do it. This is the Articuno Crown Zenith tin. Early. Okay, let's do it. God. Oh no. It's too chaotic. Too chaotic. Well. Here we go. The third tin tonight. Thank you, my darling.
So who even won the last 10?
I think I won the last tin because I got the...
Oh, work for you.
Yeah. Okay, baby. Let's give me something. Friends and Hisui, Shaman, Matang, Scyther, Riolu, Yungoos, Cherry Blue Star. Share the suffering.
Great ball, Shinx, Pinchan, Snorunt,
What the f, dude? What is wrong with these tins? I swear to God, when a new set comes out, the first few prints are all fire, and then they just like fucking cut it right down. I swear to God, that's what they're doing, which is smart. That's a really smart business move, right? Galarian, Rescue Carrier, Carnivine, Seal, Potion, Aaron, Corfish, Energy Surge. Oh my fucking God, are you serious? What? Someone's got to be trolling me, man. I'm in disbelief. I'm in utter shock. Thanks a lot. You got it, baby. That's a good one right there. I don't fucking care anymore.
I want my money back.
Okay. First ETB, I don't think we got a single non-hollow in it. Maybe. Last pack. This is it. Finally get something early and Merry Christmas. Crushing Hammer, Gloom Gloom, Friends and Sinnoh, Meowth, Whalmer, Shinx, Larvesta, Ootish. Alright. Yeah, okay, double banger. That's what I'm talking about. That's
Finally.
what I'm talking about. Thank you. Thank you, Arceus. Last pack. Jeez. I mean, I guess all in all it was alright, right? Yeah, I don't know. I like it though. I'm happy with that pull. I feel like that kind of eased the pain and suffering. What is life?
Good one. Radiant.
That actually is really sick. I like that a lot. Same card.
Okay.
For the hits, we got Radiant Charjabug. That's not a hit. Deoxys V-Star. That's tight. One Oricolo.